Hello everyone, welcome to Sanskar EduTech. Myself, Mrs. Ashwini Desai, Assistant Professor in DTSS College of Commerce, Autonomous. Today's topic, Introduction to Python Programming. The subtopics are Introduction to Python, History of Python, Scope of Python, and Features of Python. Let us see what is Python programming. Python is a general-purpose high-level programming language. It is often called as an interpreted language because the Python code is interpreted rather than compiled before it executes. Let us see history of Python language. Python initially designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. Let us see various versions of Python along with the timeline. As you can see, Python conceived in 1980s and get evolved till now, and the latest stable version of the Python is 3.13 in October 2024. Let us see the scope of Python programming. Python opens the door to multiple career opportunities, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. The simplicity and readability are the key reasons coders use Python for AI and machine learning. Also, it is designed to be easy to understand and write. It helps developers concentrate on the problem-solving aspect of AI and ML. Data analytics helps the company's decision makers identify the trend and make better business decisions. Python libraries like Matplotlib library allow data analysts to convert numbers into pie chart, graphics, histograms, etc. This makes it easier for data analysts to make their driven data visually appealing and comprehensible. In web development, Python has vast standard libraries such as Django, CherryPy, and Flask, etc. to develop various web applications. In game development, Python provides extensive libraries like PAM0, Arcade to help develop various games. Qualitative and quantitative analysis. From data processing to data visualization technique, Python offers a versatile toolkit for researchers and analysts working with diverse data set. It uses bar chart and pie chart to visually represent qualitative insights as well as histograms and box plots for quantitative insights. In graphic design applications, Python provides a rich ecosystem of libraries such as Pillow, Turtle, and Pygame, which enables the designer to automate the graphic design. Let's move further. What are the features of Python programming? The first feature, the Python is dynamically typed, means Python determines the type of a variable at runtime. So programmer don't need to specify the type during the coding. It saves your time and makes the code easier to write and maintain. The second feature, code readability. Python uses significant white spaces to focus on code readability. It also depends on object-oriented approach, and this language construct help programmer write clear and logical code. The next feature, data science and analytics. Python is a popular language for data science and analytics with the vast libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib library, and scikit-learn. In scientific research, Python supports scientific, statistical, and engineering functions which integrate other software. Libraries like NumPy and SciPy are used for numerical computation, while Matplotlib library is used for visualization. Apart from this, Python provides various features like cross-platform. Python is a portable and cross-platform language. It means you type the code on one platform and you can easily run that code on any other platform without any changes or updations. Python is very easy to learn and easy to use. It is the open source software that is freely available on the internet, and Python uses an object-oriented methodology. In the next video, we will learn about how to install Python and how to execute a simple Python code. Thank you.